Ah, which of the following matrices possess inverse? That means which matrix has inverse, that you have to put right mark. Which matrices have inverse, which matrices do not have inverse. Okay, they want which matrices have inverse, that you have to identify. Okay, first we'll find the order. See, order two rows, okay, two columns, two columns. Come to this. See, two rows, three columns. One, two, three. Three columns. Next, see, three rows into, see, two columns. Next here, three rows. One, two. Next, see, three columns. Okay. Now, remember one thing. Only square matrices have inverse. Square matrices. That means uh, rows should be equal to columns. That is the square matrix. Identify row in which matrix rows and columns are equal. See here, two rows, two columns. So rows equal to columns. This is square matrix. So it has inverse. So this is correct answer here. Two rows, three columns. Rows not equal to columns. So this cannot be answer. Next come here. Three rows, two columns. Rows not equal to columns. So this cannot be answer. Here, three rows, three columns. Rows equal to columns. This is square matrix. So this is the answer. Okay. So A and D the answer. Thank you. Click on subscribe.